devices can be used now. However, laptop, computers, and bags must remain stowed. Delta Airlines and its scanning partners worldwide, thank you for flying with us. Please visit delta.com for all your future traveling needs, including managing their SkyMall account and checking in for a flight. It has certainly been a pleasure serving you. We look forward to serving you very soon. We appreciate your business. Wish you a great afternoon here in the Atlanta area, or whatever your final journey may take you. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take this plane right back to San Francisco. Make sure you have all your personal belongings, iPhones, iPads, laptop computers, your wallet, your passport as well. If you check any bag in San Francisco, you will be able to claim it at your final destination, baggage claim area only. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so very much for your business. Welcome to Atlanta.